Hey, what's going on, guys, and welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to go from HTTP to HTTPS and secure your site using Cloudflare. This is going to be a pretty quick video because Cloudflare does make it extremely easy to do. But first, let me tell you why you would want to go to HTTPS. If you go to any reputable website, you're going to notice that in the beginning of their URL, they have HTTPS://. Now, the HTTP is the web protocol they use. The S stands for secure. This means that all of the data that's sent is actually encrypted and just can't be seen by anyone. If you go to, say, a personal blog or something like that, or an older website that's not exactly tech savvy, they might still be running HTTP. It's an older protocol and it's not secure. In this day and age, if you're going onto an HTTP website, your browser, such as Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, pretty much any web browser is going to give you this big warning that's going to flash and it's going to say, the site you're entering is not secure. Do you want to proceed? Now, that's going to break a lot of trust with your customers on your website, and it's going to cause a lot of them to bounce. So luckily, Cloudflare makes it real easy to get that HTTPS for free. Let's hop into my machine. I'll show you how to do it. All right, guys, we're back here on our Cloudflare homepage. You should know how to log in by now. We're going to come in, click on our website that we're going to change. And it's very, very simple. If we come up here to the top where it says SSL TLS, click on that. And what this is going to do, it should default to full. Sometimes it'll be up here at off, which will give you that HTTP. And then if you go in down here full, Cloudflare is going to secure everything end to end, all the way from your website to your user's browser, because everything's getting proxied through Cloudflare. So yeah, as long as this is sitting here full, you're fine. You're good. Your site is secure. Your site is fast. It's that simple. If it's not, click this button and everything else will happen in the background. See you in the next video.